Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today we're diving into the 2025 Suzuki Carry Minivan, a compact yet capable vehicle built for efficiency, practicality, and reliability. Whether you're a small business owner, a delivery driver, or just need a compact utility van, this little powerhouse has a lot to offer. Compact yet spacious. At first glance, the Suzuki Carry Minivan may seem small, but don't let its size fool you. Designed with a boxy structure, it maximizes interior space, offering ample headroom and cargo capacity. Whether you need to transport goods or passengers, the Carry ensures every inch of space is put to good use. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Suzuki Carry Minivan is powered by a 1.0-litre three-cylinder engine, delivering a perfect balance of fuel efficiency and performance. With a lightweight body and a responsive drivetrain, this minivan is ideal for navigating crowded city streets while maintaining excellent mileage. The improved suspension ensures a smoother ride, even on bumpy roads. Modern features and safety. Suzuki has upgraded the Carry with modern features, including a touchscreen infotainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, and a rear-view camera. Safety is also a priority, with ABS, electronic stability control, and dual airbags now standard. These updates make it not only practical, but also a much safer choice. Who is it for? The 2025 Suzuki Carry Minivan is perfect for small businesses, food deliveries, and urban transportation. Its affordable price and low maintenance costs make it an attractive option for those looking for a reliable and budget-friendly vehicle. Would you consider getting the Suzuki Carry Minivan? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more exciting automotive updates.